Hi. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are working on the Fiero once again, and we are actually working on the inside. So on the interior of my Fiero, it is in pretty nice condition. I have no rips in my seats, and I don't have that much warping around any of my trim pieces. I have a little bit, but not that much. But the one major flaw on my interior is my steering wheel. So as you can see, my steering wheel is pretty warped. The glue has come loose, and it just needs to be replaced. So that is what we are doing today. In this box right here, that is our solution to that problem. So I talked to Alex over at Irrationables Garage, and he made me a brand new steering wheel that is going in this car today. And I cannot be more excited. Alex has a business where he refinishes steering wheels for Fieros, Firebirds, and other vehicles. And this is his business card. You can find him at any of these, and I will leave his Instagram in the description below, so make sure to check him out. Okay, let's open up this box now. This wheel is super awesome, and I cannot wait to get it on the car. Look at that. This steering wheel is a chocolate brown leather with a beechwood top marker with double padding. You can see it looks brand new. I got the hub and everything refinished. So this thing is brand spanking new. Okay, let's get this old steering wheel out so I can get this new one in. So the very first step to getting a Fiero steering wheel off is Hello, Captain. The very first step to getting a Fiero steering wheel off is to pop off the center cap. There is a small little opening at the bottom where you can just put your finger in and it pops right out, and then you're exposed to the inside bolt. Now that we see everything in here, the first thing we're going to take out is the horn button. So what you do for that is you turn the button and it comes right out. As you can see in here, there is a little button that when it goes in, it locks the horn button right here in. So after you take that out, there is also a spring in here, so you're going to want to take that out as well. And then you want to put those aside so you don't lose them. And now we have to get this lock ring off. So you could struggle with 2 sets of pliers to try and get this off, or maybe a flathead, or you can go to Lowe's and pick up one of these. This makes really quick work of that lock ring, and it makes this job a lot simpler. All you do is put it in, extend it, and it's off. Just like that. Now, to take off this nut, you will need a 21mm socket, and that will do the trick. Now, if you are a normal human being without noodle arms, you might be able to just pull on the steering wheel and yank on it, and it'll pop right off, and then you'll be able to take it off that way. But, if you're like me, you can't do that. So that's why we are using a steering wheel puller. Now with the steering wheel puller on, we just tighten this bolt down and it'll take the steering wheel right off. There we go. And now, comes right off. There you go. So out with the old and in with the new. I still cannot get over how good this steering wheel looks. The installation process is really easy. All you have to do, line it up with the horn button. It pops on just like that. You have to take this big nut and just put that back on. Alright, so after that is on, you can slide back in your spring for your horn, then push this back in and put the horn back in place. The horn might go off, so be ready. There we go. So now the horn button is back in place. Now all we have is our lock ring. So we will take these pliers again, open it back up, put it right back over, just like that. And the final step is the horn button. And the horn will come on. There you go. There it is. I think it looks fantastic. I still cannot get over how good it feels and how good it looks. So that is going to wrap up today's video. If you guys are interested in getting your steering wheel done, make sure to hit up Alex at Irrationables Garage. This is all of his info, and I will leave it in the description below as well. So make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later.